Shirley. Oh, Hudson. And cars. Oh, for sale. Okay. So how much is the asking price? And then what's this one? Oh, the 1 tonner. 1 tonner's here. There we go. 1 tonner's here. More Holdens. So there we go. VSS here, red line, Madbro, that's pretty cool. And I think there's a Holden station wagon. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's nice. It's pretty good. Camaro is there. Wow, there's the wagon here, the wagon special. Alrighty. Nice. There we go. That's Magnus Street for you.